In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. This integration will streamline your workflow by ensuring that your calendar events and tasks on Monday.com are always in sync. First things first, you'll need to log in to Monday.com. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the specific board you wish to synchronize with your Google Calendar. This is important because the integration will link the tasks and events from this board to your calendar. Once you're on your desired board, look for the Integrate button located at the top right corner. Clicking this button will open up the Integration Center. In the search bar within the center, type Google Calendar. This will filter the options, making it easy for you to find the right integration. Now, after you've accessed the Google Calendar integration, you will be presented with a set of pre-built recipes. These recipes are designed to help you decide what kind of synchronization you'd like to establish between Monday.com and Google Calendar. Some popular options include creating an event in Google Calendar when a date arrives, setting up an event whenever an item is created, or updating an event if there's a change in the Monday.com timeline. Consider your team's needs and select the recipe that fits your workflow best. With the recipe selected, it's time to connect your Google account. Click Connect and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google credentials. This step is crucial to allow Monday.com access to your Google Calendar. Make sure that you agree to the permissions so the integration functions smoothly. After connecting your Google account, the next step is to configure the integration. This is where you'll map Monday.com's columns to the fields in Google Calendar. For example, you can map the date or timeline column to reflect the event date in Google Calendar. Similarly, the item name column can represent the event title. Don't forget that other columns can be used for additional details like a description, attendees, or location if needed. Once you've set up the mappings, you might want to establish triggers to automate the process fully. Decide whether you want to create, update, or delete events based on actions performed within Monday.com. With these configurations in place, it's time for a test run. Create a test item within Monday.com and be sure to include a date. Then, check your Google Calendar to confirm that the event has appeared as expected. If anything seems off, return to your settings to make any necessary adjustments. Finally, once you're satisfied with the setup, it's time to activate the integration. From this point onward, any changes made in your chosen board in Monday.com will automatically sync with your Google Calendar. This seamless integration will allow you to view, manage, and track all your board-related events directly in Google Calendar, providing a holistic view of your schedule and enhancing productivity.